Joining us from CommSec, Tom Piotrowski. You a karaoke man, Tom Piotrowski, at all?
Absolutely not.
No. Shower singer?
No.
Shower singer in the hot water when the throat's all warmed up?
Look, I think it's best to sort of divert your efforts where they're rewarded most, Pete. And when you don't have any talent, it's important to recognise that and not foist it upon others.
Yeah, I feel like you'd have a gravelly, voice that would, that would rise when you're singing your Kraftwerk tunes.
Well, Kraftwerk is exclusively electronic, Pete, so that would be precisely the forum where my voice would work best, where you don't use it.
On to the markets today, Tom.
Indeed. So there's been a lot go on last night where the markets have been concerned, Pete, and some counterintuitive responses where bond markets and share markets have been concerned, I suppose. Well, the interesting thing last night is that we had some substantially lower growth figures reported in the last quarter. So in the last quarter, the annualised pace of growth in the US slowed from a rate of 2.6% to 1.1%. So the rate hikes, the effort to try and contain inflation through higher interest rates on the part of the US Federal Reserve appears to be working in terms of slowing growth. We didn't get the dividend on the inflation front within these numbers. Inflation continued to rise where these figures were concerned, but no one told the stock market that. So the stock market rallied quite substantially last night. The S&P 500 finished with a gain of close to 2%. Tech stocks fired off with a gain of around 2.4% where the Nasdaq was concerned. The Dow up 1.6%. After hours, we've seen some much better results from Amazon in terms of their earnings. The stock's up 7% in after hours trade, and the SPY futures are pointing to a gain of around 0.75% when we kick off.
Thank you, Tom.